5 Best Magnetic Screwdriver. Here is the product number 5 Mayitr 1PC Electric Magnetic. Brand name, Mayitr. Model number, Hex Magnetic Drill. Type, Magnetic Screwdriver. Magnetic, yes. Features, Mini. Is _ customized. Node. Material, chrome vanadium steel. Package, under 5 pieces. Screw head size, hex shank diameter, 1/4 inch. With handle or not, numbered. Here is the product number 4 OOTDTY 5 pieces 65mm anti. Brand name, OOTDTY. Magnetic, yes. Screw head size, approximate 1/4. Features, non-slip. Model number, 1810427W612. With handle or not, node. Size, 1/4 hex shank. Type, magnetic screwdriver. Screw head type, Phillips. Material, alloy steel. Here is the product number 3 AUTOTOOLHOME 10 PC 50mm. Brand name, AUTOTOOLHOME. Size, 50mm. Screw head size, 10 package, 10-19 pieces. With handle or not, yes. Features, mini multifunctional non-slip. Magnetic, yes. Is _ customized, yes. Type, magnetic screwdriver. Screw head type, Phillips. Here is the product number 2 5 pieces 65mm plasterboard. Brand name, Mayitr. Type, magnetic screwdriver. Features, multifunctional non-slip mini. Magnetic, yes. Screw head type, Phillips. Is _ customized, yes. Package, 5-9 pieces. With handle or not, node. Screw head size, 1/4 hex shank material, alloy steel. Here is the product number 1 TEKTER quick release. Brand name, TEKTER. Screw head type, hex. Material, stainless steel. Features, multifunctional. Screw head size, magnetic screwdriver bit holder. Type, magnetic screwdriver. Magnetic, yes. Is _ customized, yes. With handle or not, node. Model number, 1/4 hex shank.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel. Drop a like. Comment and share.